Kara Plichnich, and I'm going to show you how to crochet your very own Scoops earrings. Whether you are a crochet whiz or you've never touched a crochet hook in your life, I'm going to walk you through the whole thing step by step. When you're finished, you're going to have a gorgeous pair of earrings that you can wear to work or to play. And they make excellent gifts as well. On the last page of the PDF pattern that's included with this course, you will find a printable backer card so that you can make earrings for everyone you know and gift them in style. What I love most about these earrings is that they are super lightweight, so you can wear them all day and they will not be heavy. They won't be pulling on your ears. Maybe you want each scoop to be a different color. Maybe you want all scoops to be the same. You could do an ombre scoop design. You could have color combinations that are like spring, summertime, or you could go for some neutrals. Oh, that's kind of like a Neapolitan. You could make a Neapolitan. Oh, ice cream sandwich. The possibilities are pretty much endless. And if 3 scoops feels like it's maybe too much for you, maybe you just do 2 scoops or 1 scoop. You know, it's totally up to you. Honestly, they just make you happy. Who doesn't want a little more ice cream in their day? Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I'm a nerd. I know, I admit it, it's okay. So grab some yarn and a hook and ask yourself, how many scoops do you want today?